Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a Facebook tutorial on how to prevent people's posts from appearing on your profile when they tag you. Okay, sometimes some people might be flooding your profile with irrelevant things. So I'll be showing you where you can go to prevent that. It's simple and easy. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Facebook app on your phone. You tap on it. Then you go to these three horizontal lines. You tap on it. Next, you go to settings and privacy. You tap. Then you see settings. You tap. Then you go down under audience and visibility. You locate profile and tagging. Then you tap on profile and tagging. Then you go down. You're going to see review post you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Okay, then you tap on it. So once this is on, okay, it means you are going to review any post, where somebody tagged you on Facebook. You have to review it to see whether you are going to accept it to be seen on your profile or not. But when this is turned on, people can tag you and their posts will appear on your profile. So we don't want that. So to prevent that, what you're going to do is to turn it on. Okay, so once this is turned on, if people tag you, with a post, it will not automatically appear on your profile. So that is how to prevent people's posts from appearing on your profile when they tag you. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.